AIFFचे यूथ कपांत मंगळारा जाल्ले मॅचींत तांझानियान भारताक 3-1 गोलान मारले. सर्त वास्को टिळक मैदानाचेर चल्ल्या. हाफ टायमार तांझानिया 2-1 फुडें आशिल्ले. आयतारा जाल्ल्या मॅचींत भारतान मलेशिया कडेन मॅच 2-2 ड्रॉ केल्ली. तिसरी मॅच यजमान भारत ब्रेस्तारा USA कडेन खेळटले. गोवा सरकाराची रेजिडेन्शियल फुटबॉल अकादमी 5 जूनाक सुरू जाता. GFDCन ह्या खातीर 30 उदेंते कुशळ फुटबॉलर वेंचल्यात आनी तांकां मडगांवच्या होली स्पिरीट इस्कॉलांत एडमिशनय दिलां. GFDCचो वांगडी सचीव अलेक्स डिकॉस्टान माहिती दिली.
कुंकळे घडोवन हाडिल्ल्या फुटबॉल कॅम्पा निमतान अलेक्स पत्रकारां कडेन उलयलो.
Goa Football Academy is a fully residential program for about 30 youngsters from our grassroots centers. Football Academy जातली न्ही जाली. Process already started. We have admitted all the 30 youngsters in the Holy Spirit School today, Margaon. And we are going to start the academy officially on 5th of June. So the process to start the academy has already begun long back. It has almost reached the concluding stage, and it will reach its conclusion on 5th of June, where we will be officially inaugurating the academy. The 30 boys who are admitted in this academy are from our 37 grassroots centers. They have gone through a rigorous, transparent, meritorious selection process. We have not involved any of our GFDC coaches to select these boys. We brought in neutral coaches. We conducted selection trials at the center level, at the zone level, district level, and then the state level. So such a rigorous, stringent selection process has been completed, and all of those 30 boys who are into the academy have qualified on merit to be in the academy.
इतल्या मजगती कुंकळेचो कॅम्प ह्या वाठारांतल्या भुरग्यांक फुटबॉलाची आवड लावपाक उपयोग पडटलो अशें एलेक्स योग दिसता.
Train them as such. They'll just conduct this camp to introduce these boys to football. And then once the camp is over, as I have said, they'll be inducted into our center, where they'll be given opportunity to train and then excel in football and probably become footballers of the state in the future. Wish you all the best. Coaches, take care of them. They'll be adding to your strength. Don't look at them. Don't look at this as a separate camp or a separate initiative. It's not. It's just to give an opportunity to those who are left out. They will join.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सावयो डायस.
हे खबराचे रांगात सोंपता. ह्यो खबरो तुमकां प्रुडंटाच्या वेबसायटीर लायव्ह पळोवंक मेळटात. नमस्कार.